Can you say it one more time?
Another day, another slave.
Have a good day. Love you.
I gotta show y'all something. I got my feet done yesterday, even though they still look crooked and long and skeleton built bitches. But oh my god, I wear my daddy slippers right now, but them bitches cute. That stupid bitch cut me, but it's okay. I still pay $95 for them hoes. Woo! Joe, pick up your guys.
Get off your phone. Let's go. We're gonna die. Hurry up.
Somebody posted this picture of Noah Centipede. Centipede. This person on Twitter posted that he's the sexiest man alive. This man is in a trash can. Someone said, why is there ice in there? Someone said it's an ice bath, which is what athletes do. And okay, that's a good explanation, but the hard nipples. And the caption. What are we not forgetting? He got the puffy pair of nipples. This man looks like Big Ed's neck. But hey, all the Noah stands, don't come for me, okay? I'm just saying that the picture in the comments and me weak.
Don't even try it.
My name is Madison Blackman. I'm going to Texas Christian University.
My name is Madison Blackman. I'm going to Texas Christian University.
Hi, my name is Kayla Son. I'm going to Texas State University. Eat 'em up, cats.
Hi, my name is Taylor Son. I'm going to Texas State University. Eat 'em up, cats.
Oh, yes, she did. You, me, and a cup of tea.
The dishes are looking at me dirty again.
Oh, yes, she did. You, me, and a cup of tea.
The dishes are looking at me dirty again.
Party like a rock star. Keep it sassy. Amazing grace.
How.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, A, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
Laundry. For tonight's Kiss Scam.
Jaden, look! It's Mrs. Incredible! Oh, dude! Mrs. Incredible, you're looking extra thick today! Hey, she's looking extra... Oh,
You'll smell it.
Oh, this is no
And he threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put the
this is
stuff
no
down and then
card.
you throw this.
Sorry.
Holy shit!
Sorry. I'm here to pick up something.
This is Cheltenham. This is Cheltenham.
This is the competitive system. This is Chiva. Go on, you go.
you go! Please tell me you go!
This is so good.
Yes.
I put chips on there.
And it's ridiculous, ain't it?
So good.
Boy, you gotta breathe. Your ass said.
Imagine us like 70 years old looking at this video. Like,
I would say, oh, it was nice to have all them teeth. I wish I could eat some chips right now.
so you just think some teeth fall out?
Yeah, I think one of them, 2 or 3 of them go off, bro.